गाइस, टुडे आज की वीडियो में बताऊंगा इथेरियम का एनालिसिस करेंगे पूरा कि मार्केट में क्या हो सकता है। क्या मार्केट इधर से क्रैश हो जाएगा या फिर इथेरियम 5000 6000 8000 जा सकता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। सो गाइस, इथेरियम के जो इम्पोर्टेंट लेवल्स है डाउन साइड के लिए वो मैंने निकाल लिया है। और ये जो लेवल्स है दिस इज़ बेस्ड ऑन लिक्विडिटी, बिकॉज एज आई टेल लिक्विडिटी मार्केट के लिए सब कुछ है। अगर मार्केट लिक्विडिटी के स्वीप नहीं करेगा तो मार्केट ऊपर नहीं जा सकता है। सो यू कैन सी के मार्केट हैज़ टेकन दिस लिक्विडिटी एंड वेंट अप, एंड इफ़ यू सी दिस इंड्यूसमेंट, ये जो जगह थी दिस वॉज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस इम्पल्स मूव, मीन्स दिस वॉज दैट बुल रन टाइम। सो बुल रन के टाइम जो इथेरियम है ना गाइस, it didn't perform well. It didn't even cross the highest point. So in this bull run Ethereum can perform better and it may cross this level, 4th 5000 round number. And for me, if Ethereum परफॉर्म करता है इस बुल रन में, it will go to 6000 in my perspective, in my view, because Ethereum अगर 2000 से भी अगर 200% ऊपर चले जाता है, 200% that is $6,000 for Ethereum. And what confirmation we have from this chart, we can see के market gave a impulse move downside, impulse move, this is the resistance, right? इधर साइड लिक्विडिटी स्वीप भी हुआ है एक बार. And if we see dominance chart of Bitcoin, when dominance chart came down, we got a up move in Ethereum. And if you see, Ethereum is more strong than Bitcoin because it has give वो Ethereum हम हमें लो से लेके अभी तक ऑलमोस्ट 81% का रिटर्न दे चुका है. So if anyone wants to enter, like he is thinking to enter, I'll suggest you can enter in 2200 से लेके 2000 तक. You can average 50-50%. If someone wants to invest 1 lakh, 50,000 here and 50,000 in 2000, so your average will come here. And target for at least 5,000. and stop loss, देखो गाइस रिस्क तो रहेगा इसमें. stop loss till 500, yes, 500. And everyone knows if Ethereum comes to 500 what will happen. Almost Ethereum if comes to 500 it's finished. And if you go till about $6,000, we're almost getting 1 is to 3.5, which is a very good to risk reward. If someone is risking 1 lakh, he can get 3.5 lakhs. But this is a investment, and if you want like buying Ethereum in spot, that's way better. क्योंकि गाइज Ethereum जीरो तो नहीं हो सकता. जीरो हो गया तो just think about it, it's a technology, how can Ethereum be zero? So मेरे perspective से Ethereum zero तो नहीं होगा. So if someone wants to buy spot and not getting good platform, I will suggest, this is not a promotion, you can go to CoinDCX. It's FIU register in India, no problem, invest your money, be secure. Okay, so अभी मैं इधर इतना एग्रेसिव तो नहीं हूँ. I entered in 1800. My average comes to 2200. So what am I trying to tell? If Ethereum, हमारा जो Ethereum है, अगर वो नीचे आके ये जगह को लिक्विडेट करता और इसको करता, आई वुड बी सुपर एग्रेसिव इन Ethereum. बट Ethereum ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर रहा है. एंड इफ यू सी the dominance chart of Bitcoin, whenever it's coming down, Ethereum is booming up. You can compare that also. Now I'll show you Solana's chart and Ethereum's chart. As you can see Solana's chart in 1 week time frame, when Solana gave an impulse move upside that was almost 1000%, एंड व्हाट अबाउट इथेरियम, इधर से भी लेंगे ना तो भी बहुत कम होगा, स्टिल 4000, just 260%, not even 500%. And what, it didn't clear the high also, high point also. So मेरे को, मेरे पर्सपेक्टिव से ऐसा लगता है इथेरियम में ना बहुत पोटेंशियल है गाइस. सो taking risk in swing trades is better than scalping or anything else intraday trading. So I will suggest take a risk, because if you want to see my position going on, I am in 170, how much, $200 loss. And my target, I entered this now only, I entered at 2600, I was late in this account. My loss is $1200, and if I hold it till, like, what is happening, not able to change, leave it. If I hold it till $6000, I will be making $7000, which is so good. And if you see my another account, in that I entered in 2200 average. Means first I entered in, I'm just making some money now because $85 profit. And in this account, if you see position target, I'll make $1300 here, and there 7000, means almost $10,000 if this trade goes to my way. सो आई एम टेलिंग यू, आई शोर द प्रूफ ऑल्सो कि नहीं, मैं झूठ तो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं अभी इस पोजीशन में हूँ. एंड देखो गाइस, सोलाना भी फट चुका है ऊपर, सारे कॉइन्स ऊपर चले गए हैं, लेकिन इथीरियम नहीं गया था. इथीरियम was moving slow. Now also it's going slow only. See what is actually happening. See side by side, where is यू BTC. देखो भाई, BTC इतना ऊपर अप ट्रेंड में है. If BTC is giving 10%, Ethereum should give at least 20 to 15%. It almost gave 40%. And how much did Ethereum give? 68%, which is not bad. But I am telling this कि इथेरियम कभी भी फट सकता है ऊपर की तरफ, क्योंकि अगर इथेरियम स्लो है, आई एग्री, इथेरियम अभी स्लो हो चुका है थोड़ा साइडवेज, बिकॉज मार्केट एकदम से ऊपर नहीं जाता है. इट हैज़ टू कंसोलिडेट, मेकिंग हायर हाई, हायर लोज एंड हायर हाइज. बट what I am telling, Ethereum, can we see it in $4000 in next month? It's high chances is there, because if BTC breaks the high, Ethereum will just blast. So मेरा कहना है 2000 में भी अगर एसएल रख सकते तो रखो और एंटर कर जाओ, ऐसा चांस वापस नहीं आएगा. इथेरियम एक्चुअल प्राइस नाउ is, I guess, $3000 to $4000 current. It's, we are getting it in $2500, but it's risky because इसमें volatility बहुत ज़्यादा है. So मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है, इन्वेस्टमेंट करो, लेकिन ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो तो थोड़ा रिस्क रहेगा, लेकिन अगर आपका प्रॉफिट हुआ तो आपका प्रॉफिट बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. सो I am suggesting this trade. Who wants to take a risk, take, and who wants less risk but they want to make money in long term, 6 7 months or 1 year, they can buy in coin D6 spot. Ethereum has to be zero, then their full capital will be zero. So, or else their capital will be triple 3x. So this is very good chance to invest in Ethereum. It's, and I think the bull run will also start soon, because if you see this chart of Bitcoin, it's very strong. It has given 30% correction, now it's recovering, but I think it will retrace some level like this, then it will blast upside. But I'm waiting for that day. That day will be so good. We'll see that day soon. सब लोग खुश हो जाएंगे, बुल रन स्टार्ट हो गया बोल करके. And who will enter at 2000 in Ethereum, and if Ethereum goes till 8000, that's also possible. He will be, what can I tell, So this is my view. And if you talk about the market cap, here we are in coin market cap, guys. Ethereum. If you see Ethereum, when I saw the total supply before some months back, the total supply was almost 100, now it's 120 million. So Ethereum का जो supply है, it's almost same. I think it's same only. It was 120 only. Now also it's 120, where the maximum supply is infinity. So I think the supply is also good only. It's only just 120 million. So we can plan one more confirmation we have that in इसका जो supply है वो बड़ा नहीं है अभी भी. सो दैट्स अनदर गुड पॉइंट. एंड जितने भी जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हो रहे हैं वो इथेरियम में हो रहे हैं. एंड वन मोर गुड थिंग वी हैव दैट इथेरियम का जो गैस फीस है वो $0.009 हो चुका है, विच इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर कंपनीज हु इज ट्रांसफरिंग मनी फ्रॉम इथेरियम. So we have so many confirmations, and we need one more thing, that US stock market like S&P 500 should go up, then only the bull run will start, or else it will take time. But US tech and US 30 are bullish, so super duper excited for the next bull run. Thank you guys. Any queries, any question, ask me. Support, like, share, subscribe. We are coming live every New York session, 7 to 7:30 will come. 1 hour we will be there. We'll guide you. Just follow the rules. I will be there. I will only trade. One trade only will take, or we'll take zero trades. But we'll take high quality trade, and we'll be profitable also one day. Means I am profitable. I want you guys to be profitable trader. Thank you for watching, and just do your back testing in Ethereum. This was the view in Ethereum. I don't think anyone will tell you, but yeah, bye.